Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to quickly fix clipboard error in Excel just by following 7 solutions. Okay, so the first thing to do is to quit all the instances of Excel, and you can do that by saving all your current works. So let's just exit the program and then press Ctrl Alt Delete. From the options, just choose Task Manager. So this window will come up on your screen. So under the Processes tab, just simply look for the Excel tasks and end each task individually. For the second solution, we have to restart the Excel application. So before proceeding to any solutions, just try first to exit and then open again the application. So the third solution is clear Windows clipboard history. So to do that, we have to press Windows key and V key to open the clipboard, and then here we have to look for the clear all option. Press it and then it will enable to delete all the history in our clipboard. For the fourth solution, we have to enable or disable clipboard in Excel. So this method is applicable only to MS Soft 2016 or 2013 applications. So open Excel. Simply go to Home tab. Here you will find the clipboard, and right next to it is a down arrow, so click on it. And in the left pane we will find options, so click on options. Here we have to select or deselect options according to our requirements. And for the fifth solution, we have to use Open and Repair tool. So this is a built-in Excel tool that allows us to repair the corrupted Excel workbook and solve the error that occurred due to file corruption. So to run this tool, you have to ensure to close all Excel files and then open Excel application. We have to go to File, click on Open. So under the dialog box that opens, click on Browse. So here we have to choose an Excel file that's showing this error. So once you have selected the file, click on the drop down next to the word Open. And here you have to click on Open and Repair, and then Repair. And the sixth solution is to disable Excel add-ins. So sometimes corrupted Excel add-ins are the reasons causing errors when you're trying to copy data to a workbook. So to disable add-ins, open Excel and then click on the File menu button. And on the left pane, click on Options. You have to select Add-ins. And under Manage, we have to click on the drop down and select Excel add-ins and then click on Go. And then disable all the add-ins one by one and then see if the problem is resolved. So lastly, we have to use Excel Repair tool. So if you want to quickly resolve Excel clipboard error, you can download the Excel Repair tool just by clicking the link on the description box below. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.